It's summertime! Let's get your car ready for that road trip. Your car is like your purse. It goes everywhere with you, it holds everything you need, and it soon becomes cluttered. I'm going to give you a few tips on how to organize that car and get it ready for your next road trip. When organizing your car, put yourself in the driver's seat, as that is certainly the most important space to organize. That front console can get really cluttered. I like to keep it clear for beverages and will hold a few things there like my mask or a multi-prong cable charger to charge my phone, an iPad, my son's Samsung, etc. It's the armrest console where your organization can really shine. I have found that these plastic photo cases are the perfect solution to corral and contain all those myriad of little items that get stuck in this space. I have one case for office type items like pens, Sharpies, and Post-it notes. I have another case for PPE, the hand sanitizer, and a collection of extra masks if I need them. And I have a third case for personal items like toothpaste, dental floss, lip balm, Advil, and those oh so important coffee lid stoppers to prevent spills in your car. With that, your driver's seat compartment is fully organized and ready to go. In the glove compartment, this space seems to always be getting smaller. I just keep the essentials like your car manual, paperwork for insurance, and maybe an extra pair of sunglasses. For your trunk or the back compartment of your SUV, I highly recommend getting a trunk organizer like this. It's collapsible, but when put together, it has sturdy sides, lots of pockets, tie-down latches to keep it from moving around, multiple compartments inside to contain a variety of items, handles to carry to and from, and lots of little mesh pockets outside to corral anything that could be floating around in this space. Now, for what can go inside that trunk organizer, the sky is the limit. But I would recommend starting with a couple of car blankets, maybe even a picnic blanket for that roadside picnic, a few reusable bags, maybe some car towels for spills or dirty hands if you have to jump your car, a flashlight or even a headlamp if you have to change a tire in the dark, a multi-purpose tool or even a small toolkit if you have it, an umbrella, sunglasses, all that extra tech you might want to bring along like an external battery or even a Bluetooth speaker. And then you want to make sure you have a first aid kit at the ready for bug bites or those falls while you're hiking. And when you're hiking, make sure you have lots of water bottles and extra igloos to keep things cold. And for that roadside picnic, I love using plastic plates, disposable utensils, and even bringing along a little cutting board and knife to cut that cheese and apple. With that, you are organized and you are road trip ready. I hope this video has inspired you and given you a few ideas on how you can get your car organized and ready for that next road trip. If you've liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, and while you're there, click on that bell icon so you can be notified when I release my next organizing video. In the meantime, this is Cary Prince wishing you, from my home and my car to yours, a very happy, organized day.